In this video I will show you to add a video in ClickFunnels website. Here you can go and edit one of the page from here, then scroll down, add a new section, click here plus button, then select any of the layout, then add a new row, then add the 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns row. After that add the new element. Here you can search for video element, this one. You can also add the video pop-up, so let me use this one, video element. Then scroll down, click here settings. Here you can see you can easily embed the video from the any platform. You can also add the video from the Vimeo, Vistia, Easy Video Suite, HTML video, and from the YouTube platform. So let me select this one, YouTube. Now simply we need to copy any of the video URL, then add it here. So let me go and open YouTube. I can copy this video link, then add the video link here. Here you can select the autoplay on off, so if you enable then it will automatically play. You can select the controls, these are the controls you can on off, then scroll down. So these are the different settings. Now you can select the theme. So these are the different themes. If you want to add the border, then you can select this one. You want to keep by default, then select this one, then go to advanced tab. So this one is the overall settings. Now let's go back, then click save button, then preview this page, scroll down. Here you can see that looks fine.